Hi, in today's video, I will be showing you how to add institutions into Admire so that you can update your student browser to know where each student came from which institution. Let's get started. Here we are in the student browser, and as you can see, when we're under the Education tab, we can see the name of the institution. We can recognize if it's our own institution. We can see the type of institution. We can see the begin date and the end date of when that student was in that institution, and the graduation date and the number of credits and notes, etc. This is all very handy in order to keep track of all our students to see where they came from. If you wanted to add an institution to the student, you'd click on New, choose an institution from the drop-down menu, and fill out the relevant information. But what happens if the institution that you want is not in this drop-down menu? I'm going to show you how to add that right now. Go to School, Setup, and Institutions. Over here you can see a list of all institutions in our database. We have the name, other potential names such as if they're known by a nickname, whether the institution belongs to our body of institutions, and contact information. To add a new institution, click New. Choose the institution. I'm going to put in Tashbar of Lakewood. It doesn't have another name as far as I'm aware, so I will leave that blank. I'll put in a contact number, 732-901-9999. And I have no clue if that number is actually accurate for Tashbar, but I'm just putting it in for now. Let's assume it is. This is not our institution, so I'm not going to check that. I'm going to hit OK. And we will see now that if we go back to our student and hit New, from the drop-down menu, we will be able to see Tashbar of Lakewood. Thank you for watching. We here at Admire Academy are constantly creating new content for you so that you can learn to use the software in the best possible way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.